All right, the next thing on our list that we're going to do is we're going to add in the curriculum. Your curriculum is all your content for your Udemy course. It can be videos, PDFs, PowerPoints, etc. So we're going to click on curriculum here, and let's go live on the Udemy site and show you how to do this part. So let's click on curriculum, and let's see what happens as this populates the page here. This is where you're going to add in all your videos, all of your content for your Udemy course. So what I like to do is I like to just do it in kind of an assembly line style. Let's say I have 12 videos to my course. I'll just number these. 1, for example, save lecture. Then I'll add lecture. 2, add lecture. 3, add lecture. 4, add lecture. 5, add lecture. And you could actually just click the number and enter, and it'll do it for you. 7, enter. 8, enter. 9, enter. 10, enter. 11, enter. 12, enter. Let's say we have 12 videos to this course, okay? The other thing I like to do, again, in assembly line style, is I like to go click on Add Content. Let me click on that again. Okay, there we go. Click on Add Content all the way down. Okay. This opens up all the windows for you so you can just go back in and just start adding all your videos at one time. Now, when it comes to adding content, you could add a variety of different types of content. You could add video, audio, presentation, document like a PDF. Text is interesting because you could actually just type in what you want, or a mashup. Since 60% of your course is going to be video, let's click on video. And you can either upload your video from your computer, which is what I do, or you can add it from a library. This means that you have used Udemy's bulk uploading tool, and now it exists in your library. Let's go with the simple way, and that's upload video. So you click on upload video, and you go to the folder where your videos are, and let's pick video number 1. Click and open. When you do that, the video will start uploading. It'll take a little while. Let me pause the video to show you how it works in a second. As you can see here, it's going to start uploading the video. It shows you the percentage of the video that has been uploaded, and it shows you the size of the video, and of course you can also cancel if you wish. So I'm going to pause the video and let this load all the way through to show you how that looks. Okay, so it just hit 99%, 100%, and now it's processing. So this is what it looks like when it's processing. It's actually just already uploaded to Udemy, but now it's processing in the background. And it'll tell you that this video is still being processed. We will send you an email when it is ready. So you'll actually get an email every time one of these videos is ready and published. Not published, but actually ready on the site for you to click the publish button. Now, I'm going to let that process, and I'm going to show you on the next one, lecture 2, that you can use audio the same way. Just find the audio file on your computer, find the presentation file on your computer, find the PDF document on your computer. I think you can even upload a Word document. And let me show you text really quickly, because this is a useful tool if you just want to add a little bit of explanatory comment in one of the lectures. One of your lectures could be text, for example. So you might say, in this section, I've added a PDF document that you can download that will show you a checklist to help make things easier. Okay, something like that. So that would be an actual lecture that's in the form of text. And let me go ahead and click Save. And I'll show you what this looks like, because you can actually preview it as a student So you click Preview and click As Student, and this is what it's actually going to look like in your course. Well, it's saying this lecture is in progress because it hasn't been published yet. So let me go back and click Publish. And now let's preview it as a student. Let me pull this out here and drag it over so you can see it. So this is what it would look like. In this section, I've added a PDF document that you can download that will show you a checklist to help make things easier. So this would actually be a lecture. Now, of course, you might want to add more text in. This can be just explanatory text. This could be something that you figure would be helpful, a little helpful note or whatnot, but that is a lecture there in its own right. So I wanted to show you the text lecture. Now I'm going to let's edit the content, and you notice that you can include links here, you can include images if you want to put an image there. There's a lot of things you can do with these text lectures that are very, very easy to put together. All right, now this looks like it has processed, and notice that the other thing you can do with these lectures is you can move them around. So let's say that you want to move this lecture to ahead of this one. All you do is click on the green bar and drag it. This is how you move everything around, even sections. So let's say that you create a new section called, let's click on Add Section, New Section, right? And then you would add in a description. This is a new section. Of course, I'm just being very facetious here, but let's go ahead and do that. You can move this new section anywhere by clicking and dragging anywhere within your curriculum that you want. Okay, so this is how you build out your course, and this is how you create sections and lectures as well. So what I actually do, let me move this one back where it belongs. What I actually do is I just upload every single video in order. So I'll upload video 3 here, video number 4 in lecture 4, video 5 here. I'll just upload them all in order first, and then what I'll do is I'll add in the correct sections for each video. So really what I'm doing is I'm building my Udemy course kind of in reverse of how they tell you to do it, okay? I know it sounds weird, but what I do first, as I said, upload every video in order. Let me take out this text video here. You click on Edit, and you click on this little trash can. It'll take out that lecture. Okay. Now everything will be numbered a little bit differently, but you'll get the point here. So imagine now you're uploading every video. This one's here. You upload all the videos to your course first. Then what I do is I go in and I add a section for each section. So I'll look at each video and I'll go, okay, at this point it looks like it's a good place where I start talking about the course creation process. So I'll then create this section called the course creation process. Now, assuming that I've done my outline correctly, this will be in your outline and it'll be easy to do. But I even freestyle this. I'll just look at my course and look at and determine, okay, where is the subject changing? And then I'll create a section title for that subject change. You see what I mean? And so by doing that, and then I'll go in here and I'll create a good description as well. You always want to fill these out. You want to make sure that you fill out the descriptions, because the more content you have to your titles and to your descriptions, the better for search engine optimization. In other words, it's going to help Google, Yahoo, and Bing to pick up your course, because you're going to have more content that describes what your course is all about. So you go ahead and click Save Section, and now you've created a new section, the course creation process. So that's what I do to create the curriculum. Remember, you can always add new lectures by just clicking there. You can always add new sections by just clicking there. Name them, title them, and add content to them, and you are good. Now, a section doesn't typically have content to it. It's just a kind of a placeholder or a bookmark to tell you that you're now going into a different topic within the course. And again, remember, you can move these around by clicking and dragging them wherever you want. You can move lectures around by clicking and dragging them wherever you want. You can go in here, let me show you something else you can do here, is you definitely want to add a title to each video. So I clicked on the little edit link there and create your new title there, right? Save the lecture. And then the other thing you're going to want to do, let me click the little drop down menu here, is when you click on edit content, you're going to see the ability to choose the thumbnail for that particular video. So choose a colorful or a really well-defined thumbnail. You know, this is a good one. It shows a lot of activity, but this one's kind of cool because it shows a good color. And so for each video in your course, you can choose the best and the most interesting thumbnail and then click Save. And that's pretty much it for curriculum. Now you can see the new thumbnails there, and that'll show up when people are actually looking at your course. So that's pretty much it for curriculum. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be course information.